Many people don't know their real purpose. That's the reason why they are wasting their lives on vain things in this world. They get up every morning, work all day long, and come back to sleep. And so it's the same old routine that they do until they die. So they are living their lives outside God, but they might be enjoying it right now. But how about their future after their life on earth? Life on earth is very short, and that's the reason why Psalm 90 verse 12 tells us, "So teach us to number our days, that we may apply our hearts unto wisdom." So we Christians, we shouldn't be carnal Christians, doing the same things that unbelievers do. Because we were called by the Lord with a great purpose, and there's a great commission given unto us. So people living their lives separated from God don't have a blessed assurance for their future, but we Christians do. Because hereafter, we know that we will be with our Lord Jesus Christ for eternity and receive the reward for our labor. So friends, may we use our time wisely on earth. God bless.